Welcome back to Industrial Trainer. Today, we are taking quality tool that can make or break your business processes, failure mode and effect analysis, or FME. Whether you're in manufacturing, software development, or any other field, understanding FME can enhance your operations significantly. Let's get started. FME is a structured methodology aimed at evaluating processes to identify potential failures and determine necessary modifications. This involves a comprehensive review of each step in a process, including failure modes, causes, and consequences. By proactively identifying failures, teams can implement improvements to reduce risks and enhance safety for everyone involved. Let's explore why FME is essential for businesses. 1. Risk management. First, FME is a powerful tool for risk management. It allows companies to assess failure modes and take preventative measures before issues escalate. 2. Quality improvement. Next, implementing FME fosters continuous improvement. It provides insights into failure modes, helping enhance operations and product quality. 3. Cost reduction. By identifying potential failures early in development or operations, businesses can significantly cut costs. 4. Enhancing product development. In product development, FME helps address issues early, ensuring the final product meets customer expectations. 5. Customer satisfaction. Reducing product failures builds trust and loyalty among customers, ultimately enhancing satisfaction. 6. Supplier relationship improvement. FME can also strengthen supplier relationships by identifying failure modes in the supply chain, fostering collaboration for better quality. 7. Continuous learning and adaptation. It promotes a culture of continuous learning, allowing businesses to adapt and improve over time. 8. A project success. Finally, addressing failure modes contributes to project success, minimizing the risk of project failure. Now, let's look at some practical examples of FME in different fields. Manufacturing process example, process step, material inspection, potential failure mode, incorrect material received, actions taken, improved supplier communication, software development example, development phase, coding, potential failure mode, logic errors in code, actions taken, implementing code review processes. There are several types of FME analysis to consider. 1. Design FME, DFMEA, focuses on potential failures during product design. 2. Process FME, PFMEA, maintains process control objectives by analyzing the steps involved. 3. Functional FME, FFMEA, analyzes system functions based on requirements. 4. Software FME, evaluates potential failure paths in software development. Here's how to perform FME in a systematic way. 1. Identify potential failures, analyze functional requirements to spot possible failure modes. 2. Determine severity, assess the seriousness of the consequences on a scale of 1 to 10. 3. Gauge chances of occurrence, examine reasons behind failures and their likelihood. 4. Failure detection, evaluate how well your improvement plan can detect failures early. 5. Calculate risk priority number, RPN, use the formula RPN is equal to S times O times D, where S is severity, O is occurrence, and D is detection. The benefits of implementing FME are substantial: improved processes and product quality, systematic risk management, cost-effective failure addressing, safer environments in critical industries, enhanced overall operational efficiency. Several tools can enhance your FME process, including ReliaSoft XFMEA, Intellex FME, Datalyzer FME, Reliance FME. FME is a vital process for identifying and solving potential problems before they occur, leading to improved operational efficiency. By adopting FME, organizations can reap the benefits of enhanced processes, product quality, and effective risk management. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on career development and industrial practices. Until next time, keep learning and stay safe.